Hello everyone, welcome to the recording for week 4. This week the reading is 8 and 9 out of Schneiderman and 7 and 8 out of Scobie. The discussion you're to research the computer departments of some local companies that you know have networks and internet service. Find out what type of service they have and whether or not their employees have access to the internet. What are some advantages and pitfalls to giving workers internet service? The initial is due Wednesday. 3 replies are due by Sunday. Don't forget your APA reference and in-text citation. The week 4 key assessment, you're to analyze various best practice in IT security using web data. Using APA, write a report on best practice for IT security, including user interface, designs, consideration, network security during transfer, current hardware used in IT security, current software used for IT security, and others. At least 3 solid pages of body for your work is worth 10 points. Make sure you address all these points. At least 2 references. Please paraphrase, do not copy and paste whole sections. That's 10 points. Follow APA, include a title page. Again, it says table of contents, but I will accept an abstract. The body, and again, it was 3 solid pages, and a reference section. And that's due Sunday at 11:59. I did want to talk a little bit about APA because a lot of you missed that. So in APA, on the title page, you have a running head and then your shortened title. So for instance, maybe you have a title that takes up 2 lines, you would shorten it. Now if you have a short title, you could just put that here. Then you want to put the title, the full title, then your name, and then the university. I don't require an author note, so you could just delete that. And then the abstract, and you see that the title is different here. So if we go back, you can click to get in the header. Type in your title, but see it's different from first page. So when you go to this one, you have to type your title in again, and then close the header. And then you have your abstract. And in your abstract, you're going to talk about 150 to 200 words. It's not indented, and you want to, and I don't require you to do the keywords, so you can. So what you would do is take this paragraph away and type your own abstract. Then on the first page of your paper, you have your title again. And then you start the body, and you see that it's indented, and this is called a first line indent. And then you could do your headings. If you didn't want to have headings, then you could just delete those. Whatever you don't use in this sample, you would just delete. And then you see it already has the reference page, reference page. And you'll see that these are hanging indents. And it pretty much tells you how they're supposed to go. So you can type those in. Don't forget you have to have in-text citation. Now, I don't require footnotes, so you would want to delete that. And you don't need tables, so delete that. And then you could just delete the blanks too. And you're going to put your references in this section. So that's pretty much how you do APA. So I hope that helps a little bit. Now the midterm is 25 questions over chapters 1 through 9. in Schneiderman and went through 8 in Scobie. The best way to study is to go back and study the quizzes. So if you go to the quiz and you click on the blue title, then it will give you your grade. You click on the grade, and then it will give you your questions with the answer you chose and the correct answer. So you can study those quizzes and be prepared for the midterm. That's all I have this time. If you have any questions, please let me know.